My newest listing in Markesan has thousands of square feet to turn your dream into a reality. Welcome to the former Markesan State Bank, located in the heart of downtown. This property is zoned general commercial, so you can have your professional offices, your service-based business, or even a theater here. At only $70,000, this might just be the deal of the century. So let's explore the opportunities as we tour inside.